In this video, I'm going to show you how to authorize Kami so that you can complete PDF documents online and turn them in on Google Classroom. If I go to my reading and writing class underneath my fake student striker and I go to classwork, today I have some assignments. One of my assignments is a spelling list, and so I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. In this assignment, I have a couple of different explanations of what Kami is, in case your grown-up wants to know or in case you want to know. Kami is a Google Classroom extension that allows you to write directly onto a PDF document. This talks to you about how Kami is used in Google Classroom with more directions, and this one tells you how to open with Kami. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. This assignment has your name on it, and it is personalized to you. And so I'm going to go ahead and open this one. This is the spelling list. And so when I open this right now, I'm just viewing as a PDF. I have to go right over here to this blue extension that says Open with Kami. I'm going to click on Open with Kami. And if this is your first time working with Kami, then you're going to have to authorize it. You need to allow Google Drive to load the file. So you're going to click Authorize Google Drive. And then you will need to sign in using your email address. Since I'm using Striker, I'm going to go ahead and log in with Striker. And then Kami wants to access your Google account. Yes, you want to allow Kami to access your Google because it's going to give you tools in which you can write onto your PDF documents. So you want to allow. And then your PDF opens up. Is that not the coolest thing? We do want to authorize Google. Yep, we want to authorize it. So anytime we see that, if it does it again, then we want to make sure that we're doing it. Okay, so if it does it again for you, there we go. We're ready to go. Now you have all kinds of tools on your left-hand side that you can use for Kami to allow you to write on this PDF document. You have a dictionary tool that you can use. You have a text-to-speech tool that you can use. You have a markup tool that you can use where you can highlight. You can create a box highlighter. You can strike through text. You can do all kinds of things. You can make a comment. You can have a text box, and we're going to use that later on in our grammar. You can make an equation tool, and you can also draw. I'm going to draw today, and I'm going to change my color to pink, this pinky color. And I'm going to come right over here, and I'm going to circle every word as Miss Aldridge reads it. Captain, balance, battery, gratitude. And if I want to, then I can also erase. So I can go to my eraser, and I can erase some of these things too. Isn't that the coolest thing? You can create a text box, and you can type in Kami is fun. Isn't that wonderful? And then you can also say, I have reviewed my spelling list. And you can move this text box around. Oh, look, we can move this text box. So you can tell me that you reviewed your spelling list. And then right up here at the top of the screen, you see an option to turn in. I'm going to turn this in to Google Classroom, and it'll say Monday, Striker Harden, list, word, Kami. Yeah, we want to turn it in. When you turn it in to me, we're going to authorize Google again. Anytime that you need authorization, go ahead and give it authorization with your email address. Okay. It may not do that every time, but it's getting you set up. Every time it's asking for authorization, it's getting you set up to use Kami. So continue to authorize it and give it authorization. And look, it's turning in, it's loading, and now it's turned in. So when you go back to your Google Classroom, and maybe let's refresh this and let's check our spelling list here. We can go to our spelling assignment. And look, it says turned in right here. You've turned that in. Okay, so Kami is a lot of fun. We're going to be using it today, and let's go ahead and try it.